All right, let's talk about creating that legacy of food and health, learning to cook from scratch. It gives you the ability to control the ingredients, which is super important. So when you're using whole foods, you don't have to question, what's that doing to my body? How is my body processing that? Is my brain functioning correctly? Nor do you even have to learn how to pronounce all those crazy words that are in the back of all those packages, right? Because those boxes of pre-made food and pre-packaged food also contain lots of weird, unhealthy things that our bodies don't like, they don't need, and it gets bogged down by consuming them. So you get to choose what you eat because food is our fuel, so fuel it the best. I always recommend organic ingredients that I source a lot from Azure Standard. This is the stuff that I can't grow here on our own homestead, so I really highly recommend organic choices. So let's talk about real food. It's loaded with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, all of the things that our bodies need. Once you learn to cook from scratch and not waste anything, this will help offset the buying of the actual organic ingredients. Every concept you learn, idea, recipe, knowledge are all tools to use now and in the future. Crucial tools to have a healthy future. That's all about creating that legacy of food and health. And what I mean by whole foods, real foods, I'm talking about their original form that they come in. So wheat berries for flour. I'm talking a whole tomato, a whole broccoli, stuff like this. Not down the frozen aisle or a box of mac and cheese. Learn to make a cheese sauce, buy the noodles, put them together, add some broccoli, you've got some health there. Learning to cook a whole chicken and using all the pieces, making bone broth, learning how eggs are so important that the actual yolk is healthier than the whites. Those kind of concepts. So we're going to talk about a lot of these coming up in future modules, but I'm excited that you're here, and I hope that you're going to learn to create that legacy of food and health that you can use now and in the future and to teach other people as well.